Well, 5:41 is your time. It is so great to see you on this Tuesday that turned out to be fairly cloudy through the course of the afternoon as we expected. And here's what's going to be next for you. Late week rain is going to return. Now, all total, this is going to be over several days, a half an inch to an inch of total rainfall. But here in the midst of our harvest season, we like to count and monitor each and every raindrop. Cool and brisk weather then will follow into the weekend, similar to what we're feeling right now. Area of low pressure still well north of us. And if you joined us yesterday afternoon and evening, that area of low pressure was still stuck in the exact same spot. It is dropping the cloud cover and the isolated rain showers do have for a few areas down into the region. Just off to our south and west, if you're down toward Dayton, Cincinnati, Indianapolis, it is crystal clear skies, and that's why they're expecting colder weather tonight and potential of frost. The clouds we actually have now going to be a little bit of a blanket to keep us from turning too cool overnight tonight. Now, I do have a few isolated showers, a couple raindrops. Monroe County down into the Toledo Metro, now extending east and headed through Ottawa County, heads up toward Oak Harbor and Port Clinton. Over the next 60 minutes, a few isolated sprinkles headed your way. Very close to the upper 50s and low 60s for most of Ohio. A little cooler across southern Michigan, where we have a few spots in the lower 50s. We are picking up very accurately on those isolated sprinkles that are east of Toledo and along our lake shore. And those are going to be with us the next 1 to 2 hours. We'll see some clearing tonight with partly sunny skies into Wednesday morning. Cool, crisp start to the day, back close to 40 degrees. Decent amount of sun tomorrow. Should take us into the low and mid 60s. And our next chance of rain will come in late in the evening. I'm looking well after dark Wednesday. We'll see some showers push into the area. Beyond Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the next chance of more widespread rain will come Thursday and into Friday as we see a system that will work out of the Central Plains. Greatest threat of rain with that is going to be Friday night. Here's that steadier soaking rain after dark Friday and into Saturday morning. That's when we get the more widespread chance of rain, and those showers could very well linger into much of your Saturday. How much rain to expect? Half an inch to an inch of total rain is what our hour-by-hour forecast is showing. That's going to be Wednesday night through Saturday. So over the course of about 4 days, our ground will be able to soak up much of that rain that falls. 60s for highs Wednesday, partly sunny skies as those fall colors begin to take hold across the area, and the chance of rain will be back Friday night for our big board Friday. So keep that in mind. Some scattered showers not out of the question. Better chance of those would be late Friday evening. Our extended 10-day forecast does have the chance of showers Friday night and into Saturday. That's going to be our best chance of more widespread rain. And it may be some steadier showers early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon will be brisk, breezy, and cooler. Highs in the upper 50s, mid 50s on Sunday. A few isolated showers. And early next week stays cool and damp. Highs in the 50s Monday. Mid to upper 50s to near 60 toward the end of that 10-day forecast, which gets us close to the middle of October.
We're kind of striking out with the weather on the weekends sometimes here, lining up.
I think our time is limited now. We've kind of been on a decent run up till this point, but it starts to tip this time of the year. I always say right around mid-October, that's when all bets can go off and we start to talk about more abrupt changes that may be a little bit harsh.
John reminded me that I didn't even remember this, but a couple of years ago we were calling them Stinker Saturdays.
Right.
Or the Saturday Stinker.
It was Saturday after Saturday.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, we tend to block out those blind type of
the negative ones. All right, thanks, guys.